Have you noticed that New Outlook is not recognizing the information that you have in your custom dictionary? Well, it is because it is not using the same dictionary used in Classic Outlook. Let me show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it fast. Let's get started. I'm in New Outlook, have a new message opened. Under Options, if I look up under Editor and under Personal Dictionary, this dictionary is tied to Roaming Custom Dictionary file. To sum it up, New Outlook uses a cloud dictionary. Classic Outlook uses a local dictionary, which is that custom file. Set word to use Roaming Custom, and New Outlook will finally recognize your custom words. I am in Microsoft Word. Click on File, Options, down here at the bottom left. Click on Proofing, and find Custom Dictionaries. Here's the issue. Classic Outlook uses the CUSTOM.DIC file, and it is saved on your local computer. What's happening is, for the cloud, New Outlook store information in the cloud, and it is using the Roaming Custom.DIC file. You cannot open or download the content in this file, nor does it sync with the Custom.DIC file. So what you have to do is transfer all of your custom words into this new Roaming Custom Dictionary. And the bad news is that you have to do all of them one by one. Click on Edit Word List and start adding your words to this list. If you want to review all the words that you have in Classic, navigate to Windows Explorer, paste in this link, and I will have this link available in the pinned comments. Double-click on the Custom.DIC file. You can open it up in Notepad, and I'll let you see what that looks like. Your list would be here, or you can double-click the file and open it up in Microsoft Word, and you'll see your full list. Once you move all of your terms into the roaming version, make sure it's marked enabled and make sure that it's, changed the default. For now, for me, it's already my default. That's why it's listed here first, and it's grayed out. Subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft 365 tricks and tips. Now, go work your magic.